Can you say good morning? Can you say good morning? So you know everybody's calling Puppies. Hi. What are you doing? Come in, babies. So yesterday the baby slept all day, which made for a very active night. So I think the little baths took a lot out of them, and they really did sleep all day. I tried to come in here as much as I could while I was working, but then that meant that we woke up at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Huh. Cleaned up and fed everybody. I need somebody to come and do play dates. Come here, kiddos. Come here, kiddos. Hi. What you guys doing? So I woke up at 3 and fed them. Cleaned up, and then woke up at 6 and fed them again and cleaned everything, and they've been kind of sleeping. I've been trying to come in here and play before I start work, since so little Blue is always the one that stays out here when I come in. What you guys doing in there? Barbie, hi pretty. Hi baby girl. Oh, hi. Hi. Come here. And Blue and Bianca are in there. Oh, there she comes. There she comes, my little girl. With her little tail. With her little tail. Come here, Bianca. Hi, baby. Hi. They've been snoozing all morning. Huh. Huh, haven't you? Hi, pretty girl. So there was a time that little Bianca wouldn't even come. She would sit in the back. If I had 2 hands, I could actually pet her. But now she comes up with the rest of them. With the rest of them, huh? Yes. 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 So they're doing good today. They got tons of sleep. Pretty babies. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, babies. Your little tail. They're doing really good. Really, really good. Okay, we're gonna say bye. Are we gonna say bye? Are we gonna say bye, pretty girl? Hi, guys. Okay.